Now, you know that my husband and I got a CNC machine for Christmas, so we're going to do a comparison on what the wooden cards look like on the CNC machine versus a scroll saw. I'm only using easel at this point. I'm not quite ready to tackle Fusion 360. So the cards are going to be a little more simple than what I'm used to, but we'll see. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. A card for my nephew, a wooden card, and I wanted to do Gotham City, but I haven't quite figured out how to download things into easel. That's how new I am. I'm going through all of my things and they're not showing up. So I've read a few articles that said all you needed to do was import it, but all of my stuff is not showing up. Oh, here it is. So let's see what happens. Easel can import part of this SVG. All right, so if I do import anyway, all right, so that isn't working. What happens? I think I'm going to have to just do this part in Inkscape. So I'll start with this, and then the CNC comparison will be on the happy birthday part. Getting all these windows done in Gotham City is going to take a bit. First I've got to drill them all out and then try to make them look like squares on my scroll saw. We'll see how it turns out. This was done on the CNC machine. It's not bad, it just got a little bit prickly, is what I call it, but splintered off. I've got Gotham cut out for my nephew's card. I was going to paint both of these black, but I'm kind of on the fence now. I think it kind of looks good as is. Got some pondering to do. My nephew's card is coming along pretty well. I'm waiting for the bat to dry. I painted that black, and that's going to go right there. And this is glued on, and on the other side it says happy birthday. This is the happy birthday on the scroll saw. It's shredded a bit. So did it on the CNC. So we'll see what happens when I paint it. It's not quite a complete comparison, but that worked out pretty well. So one's carved in and one's lifted off. I guess it would be up to the person on which they like better.